To go for a recap of what you have learnt so far, just click on any of the buttons on the screen. A computer virus is a malware which is designed to invade someone's personal system to disrupt the functioning. Computer viruses are designed to damage the computer by damaging programs, deleting files, or reformatting the hard disk. A resident virus hides or loads itself into computer memory, which then allows it to infect any file that is run by the computer. It continues to run even after the infected file closes. Being loaded into memory, it does not need to be executed for it to infect other files. Rather, it activates whenever the operating system (OS) loads or operates a specific function. A non-resident virus does not store or execute itself from the computer memory and remains attached to the file. It infects other files only when the infected file runs. These are also referred to as executable viruses, meaning that they need to be executed before they can infect, unlike resident virus, which infect the moment of the operating system. File-infecting virus, which when enters a system, becomes active when the program carrying the virus is opened. Overwriting virus. Overwriting virus is a program written with malicious intent, which, after infection, will effectively destroy the original program code of your computer system's file data, typically by overwriting data in the system's memory. Boot sector virus are viruses which are less common now, as today's devices rely less on physical storage media. The master boot record viruses, as it named, are actually memory resident viruses. They are responsible for infecting disks, just like the boot sector viruses. Multipartite viruses are also known as polypartite viruses. These viruses infect both the program files and boot records. Cluster viruses are another type of viruses which attacks systems in groups or clusters. Polymorphic viruses are designed as a disguise. Many users to the net will think this is a very handy tool. However, they will create disruptions in your executive files once you have loaded them to your system. A rootkit virus does something similar to it, as it installs an unauthorized rootkit on the system and gives attackers full control of the system. A macrovirus is a computer virus that replaces a macro, which is what enables a program to work and instigates a designated group of actions and commands. Web scripting viruses are generally noticed in the programming utilized for a display of web series, the image, videos, the layout of a site, and its links all consist coding.